Well, welcome everybody. I'm doing something a little different today. I'm going to be making a small little terrarium. I have the base here. I don't have the plants yet. I'll do that later, but I have all of the base layers that we need to at least get this ready so I can buy the succulents later. We have, start off with volcanic lava. Then we have various colors of marble. We'll all create a drainage. And we're gonna do this. All right, I'm looking forward to it. I've been trying to make one of these for a very long time. So let's put in a little bit of the lava rock here. This will help with the drainage. So kind of about an inch or so, maybe an inch and a half. Just that way. And now we're gonna add the various different marbles and kind of like do this in a pretty little thing, and then I'll have a pan to show you. These are really pretty marble rocks. And then we're going to do the last layer over here, which is kind of like a black, very fine black marbles here. So, babies here. So, let's add a little bit more of the white marbling, a little bit more of this gray, and then some more of the black marble. All right, so now we have a nice base layer of lava and a really nice tricolor. And I have the moss that will go on top, and I just need to buy the plants later today, and then I can finish up the terrarium and the video. All right, so I made a quick run to the local nursery and picked up some nice succulents here. So we're gonna plant these babies inside the terrarium, and let's see how that's gonna look. First thing I'm gonna do is probably just place these so you can kind of see how I wanna have them. I may have one too many, I don't know. I've never really done this. So let's see how we're gonna do this here. Keep a little bit of the dirt on this here. Okay. And let's put this baby right in here. And then when this is all done, we'll put some of that decorative moss that I have in the garage around it. All right, so that's one. So we have one here now. So let's do the second one. Okay. Break some of this soil off of the pot, off of the plant rather. Break some of this soil up. And I think we're gonna put this guy right back in here. He doesn't want to stay there, so let's see. Okay, and now we have space for one more. We're gonna go with this one. Hopefully these aren't gonna die. Leaves or the petals are already falling off. Maybe we're gonna go with this one. I think this is a little stronger. All right, so now we have these three here. The terrarium is starting to shape up. We have the plants in there. I need to just add a little bit more rocks and steady them. And then from there we have preserved reindeer moss. Okay, and I have 2 different packets, way more than enough for this little project. So we can put this in here all nice and decorative like. Now, obviously, we're going to have to water all of this to keep it all nice and moist. I guess we're going to go with one color because I'm not even going to use half a bag here. Voila, I think we're gonna have this thing here pretty protected with the moss and a little bit of the dirt from the soil from the succulents. And now we have this. So next thing really up is just to spritz of this with a little bit of water. We do have a few gaps here that need a little bit more with the moss, and I think we are going to be really good with a very nice terrarium that my wife is going to be surprised with. Just to add a little bit of spritz to it, I got this nice little spritzer, water sprayer, which is perfect for orchids that we have, as well as watering terrarium once a week. All right, so this is an open terrarium, not a closed one. So this will be really great here. All right, I think that's plenty of water. And here we have the finished product. As you can see, we have the base layer, which is the black lava all along there. Then we have the white marble, the gray marble chips, and really fine black marble. And the top layer is the green reindeer moss. Left a little bit of the dirt on each of the succulents that we planted, so everything here wound up is going to really drain really well, and this is going to look really, really nice. And we used a little bit of spritz that'll go on once a week, and something I think I'm going to make a few more of, considering I have a lot of leftover supplies. So I'm probably going to buy 1 or 2 more terrarium boxes and then make some more.